So good morning all. Today we will discuss method overloading. In the previous video, we have discussed what is a method. A method is nothing but a function. So we can use the same method name for the different purpose. Simply we can call it is method overloading. So let's go deep into the topic. So method overloading. If a class has multiple methods having same name but different parameters, it is known as method overloading. So suppose consider one class and it contains more than one function with the same name. So it is possible to use as method overloading. If you want to add two number, you can use a function name sum or add. If you want to add three numbers, what is the procedure? One method is you can change the method name. Otherwise you can go to method overloading. That is, you can use the same function name. So same function, by using the same function name, you can improve the code readability. So if you have to perform only one operation having same name of methods, increase the readability of the program. So main core advantage is it will improve the readability of the program. Then so method overloading can be possible by two methods. First method is by changing number of arguments. It means the first method with the argument, two integer argument, then you can use the same function name with the three argument. So it's by changing number of argument. Next option is by changing data type. Suppose you have a function name with the integer data type, you can use the same function name with the another data type other than integer. So these are the two options. Please note, method overloading is not possible by changing return type of the method. By changing only a return type, it is not possible. So let's check a program. Okay, now let me demonstrate a simple program for method overloading. Here I am going to use one simple class with the two function. So let me create a class first. Class calculator. So let me create a variable sum with the integer data type. Next I am going to create a function. So this function is to add two integer number. Would add int a comma int b. So two integer numbers will be sent from main function. So here it will add and display its result. So sum equal to a plus b. We can also assemble code to display its result. System.out.println of sum. Next I want to add three number. So conventional method is you can create a different function name, but it will affect the code readability. So I am going to implement method overloading here. So same function name with a different parameter. Void add. I am using the same function name int a comma int b comma. Here I have one more variable, that is int c. So again result sum equal to a plus b plus c just copy the system.out.println, goes the same. Now let's go to main function and main class. Since the file name is method overloading, so class name should be same. Method overloading, class method overloading. This is the main class. Inside there should be main function, so that is public static void main with the string args. Object for a calculator class, so calculator object name equal to new calculator. So let's call functions one by one. So first method, to call first method, object name dot, that is obj1 dot add. So first I'm sending two values, two integer values. So let me send 2 and 6 here. Again let me call the second function, add of 3 number 4 5 6. Program is completed. Let's save. So to compile Java C method overloading.java. So class file is created. Then let's run Java method overloading. First number is, first function sending 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 will be display the result 8, then 4 5 6. So if you are if you are calling add 2 of 6, the function call will go to this function. Then if we are add sending 3 numbers 4 5 6, then the function call will go to this function. So this is the simple example for method overloading. You can also implement method overloading by changing its data type. Okay, these are all about method overloading. So ultimate aim of method overloading is to improve code readability. Thank you.